If your posts aren't getting traction lately, it's not shadow banning, it's sameness. The algorithm is not broken, it's just bored. And honestly, so are the people scrolling past your content, I know. We've hit a point where most small businesses are posting the same stuff. The same Monday motivation or 5 tips or thanks for following type captions. None of it stands out anymore because the platforms have trained themselves to prioritize what feels new, not just what's posted often. Let's talk about what's really happening. Every social platform right now, Facebook, Insta, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, flooded with AI-assisted content. Flooded. Recycled trends and templated posts, and the algorithm knows it. I'm guilty too. I have some clients that just want to do certain things, even when prompted, even when I say over and over, you need lifestyle content. You need your own face answering customer questions. You know the drill. When everything looks and sounds the same, the platform's job is to find what breaks the pattern, what keeps people watching, commenting, or smiling just long enough to prove it's real. That's why you'll see a random local video shot on a phone in a messy office with a real person saying something honest, getting more traction than a polished brand campaign. It's not luck, it's contrast. So if your content has gone quiet lately, it might not be because your audience stopped caring, it might be because your content stopped surprising. And here's how to fix it. First, be local. Show your community, your people, your process. Talk about specific neighborhoods or streets or areas in town, local landmarks. The platforms crave authenticity right now, and nothing's more authentic than showing where you actually work. Second, be human. Ditch the scripts and perfect lighting and high-end equipment once in a while. Talk like a person, laugh, stumble, tell a quick story. Real beats perfect every single time, and data proves it. Third, be unexpected. If everyone's posting polished videos, drop a rough one. If everyone's using trending audio, record a voice note instead. If everyone's trying to be clever, just be honest. The algorithm's not punishing you. It's just rewarding whatever breaks the pattern, right? Makes sense? So next time you feel like shouting, why is this not working anymore? Don't blame the algorithm. Look in the mirror. Feed it something new, something real, something it hasn't seen from you before. That's how you're going to stand out in a feed full of noise. I'm Max from Maxed Out Creative. If this helped you rethink anything or think about something just a little bit differently, hit that like or subscribe button. Let's keep building smarter, not necessarily louder. Thanks.